the visitors, teachers, and my fellow parents. How you doing? I am Simena Era. I am the chairman of this school, Jesweswe Primary School. This is one of the schools that has been performing so good. But all the years that we've been around, the school has not been doing so good when it comes to development. We are grateful for Adams Mochenwa. When we went to tell him about our problems, he accepted. He has responded so good. He has helped us with 64 Ironsheets that is going to help us recover our staff room, because the Ironsheets of the staff room is so pathetic. Please tell him that we're praying for him. We are so happy. If he comes with some other friend next time, we will be so grateful, because some other areas also need help. This is a wonderful school. It's a well-performing school here around here. To all other leaders, whoever hears this, please, you can lend a hand towards helping this school. We thank you so much. We thank Adams Mochenwa, my parents and fellow teachers. Good morning. My name is Mecha Bunga. I am the assistant head teacher of this school. I have been around for 15 years. Thank you. We have looked around who's going to help this school, but we didn't find help. We look for Adams Mochenwa to help us, and for real, he has come for us. If you look at the staff room and the offices, we can't be able to mark the books. When it comes to the books and the record keeping, it's so hard for us. When it rains, it pours. So the books.
Aspiring senator.
Adams Mochenwa was aspiring senator in Nyamira County. We are praying that God helps him. This is not the end, but we are also looking for help. We are also asking for help. To whoever hears this, please help this school.
Mwambie tumeshukuru na barikiwe 100 times.
Sisi Adams Mochenwa ngomwakira mbiyamono batakonyira mabati bine ndwa bayibuli bage sebesi twagokira magoko monene mono omonene bakanyigwete ntume gojibore gyera na nyakorora niwe naenda genderere atokonye naenda kabisa mono arataka nani bande naende uko musabera maya anyumache maya yesu asiye imoke igoro
ngoire nelimbi yamana asenge njo mwana itoma Adam Mochenwa atoinyoire otoira mabati esukuru yaito nigeta agogete bobe nigegotwa lakini nyasaye no muya omokunire na inwa baminta baralimuno mwaikira igogotochekeria motoire ripoti eyo ngoibungo konya mora abande na intu motororera mabera motebia abesimiwa batokonye eliegera na intu esukuru yaito imokerere igoro muna bana chinga kiche bwerera tebe kunone chitairize elia bana baitoka bagosoma na barobe ibuna eskikerasi imewali ese Mochenwa twamusabeira amaya nyasaye amosesenie naende mambi kande mbi ya mono nyasaye mwesenie na inuka moko gende sabari nyororo nyasabe nteraba ya mutu na magega
itangani ngo akiretimu ya Mochenwa mpya mono aso ngeskue nende kuna inka mwacha ano aso Mochenwa ndio yongokwana ngo kuchia msio sauti maina yoro mwibori bwege swesweke ona litangani ngo bakana mpya mono mwana yo muntu Mochenwa okorire genteki ya mono eskue yewa ya jakete mwaka 80 ali achaka usekorire ria bati ya mata ali gweta kuikaga iga igo byo ko biroro byo gukumya ntwe otokobere ni ampi ya mono mwana Mochenwa twalwe no mwana bwenge nchaso gusikweito endo roli ne ga sobo arareta bagani mambi gara chau mono sana kiagire skuru ye ya okorobuya ya mono na muchikonye bwati ase soni ya kerenyo nere gutanga na kirenga ki imyaka yose mu mwaka wa yarente magabuka lakini imyaka ile yose ye gutanga na saidi asaya igale asege tongo imomono twaza konyoro bakoni no twaro lirero motatebeli umwesimigo ambuoye nero tangana tige tueke chikura eskuru emonyero chege okora buya mono sana soro ko ngori wase konsunya si yayi anyo bakoni bwisaide
kana nguru kusabina nyaboke amecha omwegori ndo eskuru ya gesesu na akire mbiya mana singe ndwa totarire omogoko monene mono batebanya saba sisenya segasi mwakorire na ndi mogenderere gotokonye skuli yaite mukeigo
tokora ndi mbiya mono mwatu karabishile twachira twachita on Monday na BOM ya korate request ya cheto mwesimiwa Adams bakaburi ngango turwara assistant room ne office na intu akaro twachite Monday ntwarotinga nekene obisi egotwa mpaka mubegete bunyumba bigotacha mache talibo onongo tubakuminga kainkera gakeke skulu nandi nereme yagusiye gotuga ona karo twera ni report ya somo senator o atebanga tigakole birasi ebibyonsi na mabati ya june fundi akaro yakorete na bayaro chinga mabati 64 na ra ukora staff room na obisi so na kitwachira tokorege ntekyo nandi tokore tokoira na kitogota bya Adams ana bota chobo nyansi bogoro tubono na timu Adams njasa maleta nandu uyibuza sende asante sana
ya mono KJ on the beats.